Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart.
Today we have an epic showdown between two top-notch dash cams. On the left, we have the 70mm dash cam M300, and on the right, the Chensid 3-channel 4K dash cam. Get ready to buckle up and join us on this wild ride as we compare these two contenders.
Let's kick things off with the most important feature of any dash cam, the video quality.
The 70mm dash cam M300 boasts a crystal clear 1296p QHD resolution.
That's almost 1.5 times clearer than your average 1080p dash cam.
It's like watching a movie.
But wait, the Chensid dash cam says, "Hold my memory card."
With its mind-blowing 4K resolution, it captures every detail on the road, from license plates to road signs. You'll feel like you're in a Hollywood blockbuster.
Now that's what I call high-definition action. But hey, it's up to you to decide if 4K is a must-have, or if the 70mm QHD is enough to satisfy your dash cam needs. Picture this. It's pitch black outside, and you're cruising down a dimly lit road.
Which dash cam will come to your rescue? Let's find out. The 70mm dash cam M300 comes equipped with 3D noise reduction and WDR technology, ensuring clear and smooth image quality even in low light conditions.
Say goodbye to those grainy, blurry videos. But hold on tight because the Chensid dash cam is bringing the heat. With its f2.0 big aperture, WDR technology, and 4 infrared lights, it's like having your own personal spotlight.
Nighttime driving has never looked so good.
So whether you prefer the 70mm's noise reduction or the Chensid's infrared magic, both cameras will make sure you capture the crucial moments, even in the darkest of nights. Now let's talk about parking surveillance.
We all worry about our vehicles when they're left unattended.
Which dash cam will be your trusty guardian angel?
The 70mm dash cam M300 comes with a built-in G sensor that detects sudden shakes or collisions around your vehicle. It automatically starts recording and alerts you through voice notifications. Safety first, folks. But wait, the Chensid dash cam isn't one to be left behind.
With its 24-hour parking monitor, it'll be your car's very own secret service agent.
No thief or fender bender will go unnoticed. So whether you choose the 70mm's G sensor or the Chensid's parking monitor, your vehicle will be in good hands. Let's wrap things up with ease of use.
After all, nobody wants a dash cam that's more complicated than quantum physics.
The 70mm dash cam M300 keeps things simple and straightforward.
Just plug it in and you're good to go.
Plus, it supports micro SD cards from 16 gigabytes up to a whopping 128 gigabytes. That's a lot of road trip memories.
But wait, the Chensid dash cam says, "Hold up, I've got a trick up my sleeve."
With its hidden design and easy installation, it won't block your view or distract you while driving. It's like having a dash cam ninja. So whether you prefer the 70mm's simplicity or the Chensid's stealthy installation, both cameras are here to make your life on the road a breeze.
Based on online reviews, the 70mm dash cam M300 is highly praised for its video quality, ease of installation, and value for money.
Reviewers also appreciate its app connectivity and reliability.
On the other hand, the Chensid 3-channel 4K dash cam receives positive feedback for its high-quality performance, clear imaging, and user-friendly footage review.
Customers find it easy to install and appreciate the included memory chip.
However, some reviewers mention difficulties with the instruction manual and rear camera installation.
Overall, both dash cams have their strengths and are recommended by users. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the 70mm dash cam M300 and the Chensid 3-channel 4K dash cam. Now it's your turn to decide which one steals the show. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another epic showdown on Buy Smart.
Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.